Hello everyone. Now we can see this one Seagate Rosewood pension hard drive, and we can see this is the COM terminal error messages reported by the hard drive. We can see there are a lot of process RW error, and there are still some search IOEDC index error, and there are some other update mask error. So this drive, it seems have multiple failures in the firmware error or in the firmware modules. Well, let's say if it's possible to enter F3T prompt. Now we can try to check the Control L command, but now we can see it's locked. So we need to enter the software of the DFL Seagate from repair software. And when we are trying to read the drive ID, it shows ID read error, SED knock, so we can only use the boot mode to read. So still search failed. So Rosewood we can select manually. For example, we select this one and say click OK. Let's try again to see if it's possible to read the SN number from the pension drives. Now we use boot mode again to read the hard drive ID. So still not possible to read the drive ID. We can try in the COM terminal and see, check some ID information. We use the Control A. So we can see this is JANUS. AF family. Okay, so this is AF family. We can try to check here this one and boot mode again to read. Search failed. So let's enter the software. We need to read the source ROM, the original ROM first. ROM AF. Okay, let's rename this one AF LM035. Click save by COM. So we back up like this one. Now the software starts to back up the original ROM from this pension drive. Let's wait a little bit. Okay, now we can generate unlock ROM. So this is original ROM. So we need to select this one to generate this unlock ROM. Okay, now we can write some macaron and see. Click OK. This client is still using old software. Maybe the user need to update to native software. For this case, well, let's say after the ROM write, and we can see in the COM terminal about the report and see if it's possible to unlock this new AF pension drive. So let's wait. Okay, now the ROM write. Okay, so let's power off and power on the drive. Send unlock key and Control Z to enter F3 to prompt. Now we can see it's unlocked successfully. After this one, we can try to change the baud rate. With a higher baud rate, the software or the drive can work faster. So this is why we need to select a higher baud rate here. Now the software is adjusting the baud rate automatically, and then let's see if it's possible. Okay, Control L. So that means the baud rate has been changed successfully. Next, we need to back up the important SOS. This is AngelList backup. Let's try to read and see. Okay, now the software starts to back up the AngelList, the SOS 35. So this is the SOS ID. So this one is very important to back up, so we need to wait. Okay, now we can select all, and here export. So we can save here together with the ROM folder, or we can set up one new folder here, new folder. We can name it SOS file. Certified. Save OK. Now we can go back to the COM terminal and we can try to use the DWF fix. This is the DWF fix. Here we can see it's repairing the SYS346. So we are repairing this one and writing the modified 346 to the drive. Well, let's wait. Okay, now the auto repair has completed. We can see in Snug window this operation success. And sometimes we can also try to use the auto fix for the option 2. So this is for for some new drives. We need to use this one to fix the DWF error. When users are trying to read the date error, users get DWF status register on. If this one is on, we need to use this common repair solution to fix the failure, and then we can check further. to see if the drive undetected issue has been fixed or not. So now we need to wait a little bit and see. Now let's continue repairing the pension drive, and we can see the enginist entries. So there are a lot of entries here. Let's see the total entries. So 64 entries. We can clear glist and 063 regenerate this translator. After so after the translator regeneration, we confirm the entries again, and now let's try to scan. We can try to power on this drive again, send down lock key, scan. Let's see. Now we can access the data arrow. Let's check its ending part. So we can see this is the partial sector access issue. We can come here. We can try to clear engine list. Use this method. And check again. Oh, let's wait again. Okay, so we finish the translator regeneration, and now the engine list is 0 entries. Let's confirm again the data arrow access situation. We just need to check the ending part of the data arrow. Okay, now we can see the data arrow is fully accessible. So at this time, we need to go to the DDP. We can see if it's possible to recover the lost partitions and folders directly. Okay, So this is a lost partition, and all the lost folders and files are here for immediate data recovery. So users just need to select the wanted folders and click recover selected files, and then all the lost data will be recovered. Thank you for watching the video.